Hi, welcome to Easy Rider. I just put some hand guards on my Road King. It's just too hard to actually film doing it, but there's nothing really to it. It's pretty simple. I'll just show them to you and tell you what I did. But if you like these kind of videos, please like, subscribe, share with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I put up new ones. Thanks a lot.
All right, let's go.
Okay, here's what they are. They're Coffin style hand guards, and they just mount here where the mirror stud is. For my bike, without the hydraulic clutch, the ones that go on the left side have these long ears. You'll see when I get over to the right that they're much shorter, these long mounting ears or whatever you want to call them. For non-hydraulic clutch Harleys, you get the ones with the long mounting point for the left side. The hydraulic ones, then they're the same as the other side. And this is what they look like from back here. So that one does. I'll go around and look at this one from the back. And I got these on Amazon for, I think it was $23. Might have been $22. I don't remember for sure. It was cheap enough. They had white ones too, but they weren't white gold pearls, so I just got the black. Maybe I'll paint them later, maybe I won't, I don't know. And this is from the front, and here you can see how much shorter these are to get up, because the mirror is mounted farther out for the brake fluid reservoir, and the same on the Harleys that have the hydraulic clutch. They got a reservoir over on the other side, so they're shorter. So just make sure you pick the right one when you order it. You can cut those other ones off. There's instructions on YouTube for cutting them off. But that's what I did today. I put those on. Hopefully that'll keep cold wind off my hands this winter. And I'm still working on the paint. This looks a little better than it did the first time, but I still don't really like it. I'm going to sand it some more and see if that works out better, and then put some more color or mid coat on there before I put the clear coat on. But that's what I'm doing, and I got great range of motion. Arm goes all around. It clicks a little bit. I don't know if you can hear it or not. I can hear it. And reach over here and way back here and under here. Everything. I'm doing good. One more week, and then I may be able to ride. Well, hopefully, I am going to be able to ride in a week. Thanks for watching.